Hi, Wonder Class, and welcome to our SPaG lesson today. So let's have a look at what we're going to be looking at in today. The learning objective for today's SPaG lesson is we are learning how to demarcate sentences with capital letters, full stops, question marks, and exclamation marks. So the context is called the cotton top tamarind. So let's find out what exactly we are going to be doing. So we're going to be looking at obviously how to use in our sentences the capital letters, full stops, question marks, and exclamation marks. Let's have a quick read before we watch the video. So the cotton top tamarin is one of the most endangered primates in South America, and there are believed to be only 2,000 left in the wild. This species is only found in the tropical rainforest of Colombia. They get their name from the long tufts of white hair around their black faces. In this fascinating clip, the forest home of one group of cotton-top tamarins is under threat as a result of deforestation. The only hope of survival rests in the hands of the local community. What do you think is being done to help them? Let's watch the clip to find out. Have a think about the word deforestation, what it means. So deforestation is the cutting down of trees. Great. So let's have a look at what our challenge is. It says, can you describe the cotton top tamarind in a way that will paint vivid images in the reader's mind? So what it's really asking you to do is describe the cotton top tamarind. Let's see if I can actually pause it on, there we go. Pause it on a picture of the cotton top tamarind. You might want to write down some descriptive adjective words to describe what it looks like. You might want to write those onto your whiteboard. So have a go at doing that. I'm just going to go through the parts of the activity which we'll be doing today. So it says read the scintillating sentences opposite. They show the four main types of sentences and the punctuation used to complete them. So a statement gives information and normally finishes with a full stop. A question is often a request for information and always finishes with a question mark. A command tells somebody to do something and finishes it with either a full stop or an exclamation mark. And an exclamation mark expresses a strong emotion or a surprise and always finishes with an exclamation mark. So, in every type of sentence, a capital letter is used to start the first word. Have a look at these sentences and see what types of punctuation they have, just to have a look at. So, what can be done to stop the destruction of rainforest? That's a question. What an unusual looking primate. That's a statement. Stop burning the rainforest. That's a command. Cotton top tamarinds are so named because of the shock of the white hair encircling their heads. Full stop. That's just a sentence, a statement which ends with a full stop. So, did you know? When a cotton top tamarin is feeling frightened or excited, the plume of the white fur on its head becomes raised in an effort to make it look bigger and more impressive. Let's have a look at some of our whiteboard challenges. You can complete some of those on your whiteboard. Challenge 1, what punctuation is needed to complete the first sentence? So have a look at the first sentence, see what you need to change with that sentence. Challenge 2, what punctuation is needed to complete the second sentence and what other corrections are needed? So have a read of this sentence and see what corrections are needed. And your challenge 3 is using some descriptive words from the word wall, which is over here. Write your own sentence about the cotton top tamarins featured in the film clip. Decide whether your sentence will be a statement, a question, a command, or an exclamation. Don't forget to put the right punctuation mark at the end of your sentence. So you're going to have to go back, watch the video, take some information. You might need to click back on the grammar bit to remind yourself and then write one of those. Your final activity, it's not something that you have to do, but it's if you really want to push yourself. Have a read of the writing ideas. This says to design a simple game for children, either about a cotton top tamarin or how to protect them. That could include in the kids' corner. That could be included in the kids' corner. Remember to write clear instructions on how to play the game. So this is quite a fun activity which you might want to do should you not want to do the other tasks as well. You could actually have a go at this. So that's all from me today. Enjoy your SPaG lesson. Make sure to click onto the link. You can actually go onto this website itself and do the work from the website. This was just my guided tutorial of how to use it, and just reading it to you to explain it. So you yourselves can now go onto the natural curriculum website under year 4 and you can find out where the cotton top tamarin is, and then you can click on it. I will actually just go back to the home and show you. You would click on year 4 grammar lessons, and where it says here about your sentences, you would click cotton top tamarin, and that would then bring you into this part of your SPaG lesson. That's all from me today. Bye everyone.